In this video, we will explore configuration of Flowmon probe, which is the source of rich network telemetry. The probe configuration is available in the Configuration Center Monitoring Ports section. You can control active and inactive timeout, and you can switch the default network telemetry export protocol between NetFlow version 5, version 9, and IPFix. In the advanced settings, you can control metadata extraction from various protocols from layer 2 up to layer 7. Application metadata requires IPFix to be used as the export protocol. Advanced settings also control decapsulation of various tunneling protocols and advanced features such as packet deduplication and others. Per each monitoring pod, you can control targets of network telemetry export. You can define multiple targets in parallel, including different export protocol per each target. You can even use a filter per export target to further limit the scope of the monitored traffic. Default advanced settings can be further adjusted per monitoring pod to fit the specific needs. This is the configuration on the probe side. Also make sure to configure your collector to store required additional metadata on top of the default NetFlow and IPFix attributes. For Flowmon collector, you control these settings in the Configuration Center FMC Configuration Flow database fields.